Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up an out-of-the-office auto reply in Gmail. So that way if you're going to be on vacation or out of town for some other thing and you want your emails to be answered for you, in case you're not going to be able to get to your computer or phone to answer them yourself, you could set up this auto reply telling the people that you're going to be gone and you'll be back at a certain time and you'll get back to them at that point. So what that'll do is, so any email you receive, it'll send them a reply based on the text that you add into your auto reply message, so that way you could tell them exactly what's going on. So anyways, let me show you that and it'll make a little more sense. So we have the Gmail inbox here. So all we need to do is go to the settings icon and see all settings. And then from the general tab, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see the vacation responder. So it's not really called out of the office like it is for Outlook. It's called vacation responder. So right now it's off by default. So to use it, you just turn it on, set your first day. You want it to take effect, and you could have it, if you don't check this, it'll stay on until you come back here and you turn it off, or you could click on last day and set the date, so it sets it for a week by default. And that way, if you forget to turn it off, or if you don't want it to send out the auto reply messages, it'll stop doing this by the last day date. Okay, so the subject, we could put whatever we want to say. I am out of the office. And then you could say for your message here, I will be turning on. And back to you then. And then of course, you could do all your formatting and whatever else you want to do too, type of thing. And then this option here, so if you wanted to only send this to people in your contacts, which are listed here, your Google contacts, you could check this box, and that way if somebody like, spam people or people you don't care about send you an email, this won't send them the auto reply, so that's not going to notify them that you're out of the office. So if you want to keep it kind of secret and only have people in your contacts, you could do that. Okay, so we're going to click on Save Changes. Okay, so there it is now, and you could end it now or go right back to the settings. So now we're going to go send this guy an email from another account here. I could type it here. Okay. All right, so we're going to send that to this Gmail account that has the out of the office or vacation setting enabled. And then we'll have to wait for our reply here and see what happens when it shows back up in our inbox here. Okay, so that was pretty quick. So here's the auto reply. We could open that up. And so here's the subject that I sent him. Give me a call when you get a chance. So it's replying to that. And here's the body of the text that we configured here. I will be returning on January 8th. And it even has the color that we configured. And so now this person knows that this guy's out of the office and he's not going to have to worry about that, he's just getting ignored. So once again, from your main thing here, and so here's the email that came into him as well in Gmail. So settings, see all settings, general, down at the bottom, vacation responder. Then you could just, if you're done with it, you could just turn it off, or you could end it now or click on that to go right to the same settings. And just make sure you click on save whenever you make a change here. So now that's done, and so if I were to send him another email, I wouldn't get this auto reply coming back to this other address here. All right, hopefully that helps to get you going. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.